Hey y'all, happy Sunday. It's March the 19th, that's the day. But today was hair day. And I wasn't gonna vlog today, but I was like, let me just turn on the camera and say hello to my people and see how you all are doing. I hope you all are having an amazing day. It is actually, y'all, it is almost 4:30 in the evening. I haven't did anything. I stayed in the bed till 2 o'clock, which is okay. I had a weird dream last night about a neighbor, y'all. It was just so, it was so weird. Oh gosh, I was just like, it was weird, but it was so real, kind of like. That was the part that kind of got me. I don't know. I think my mind was, I don't know, y'all. Sorry, let's just edge that out the video. But today, I just wanted to show you guys my hair. Today was untwist my hair day, wash it, show you guys the length of my hair is really growing. If you guys see me looking somewhere else, I'm actually in front of me, but this is the length of my hair. I wish that I could, I'm going to start twisting it to this side here, so it could be, so I can have the twist hang down. I think that's what I'm gonna start doing, and then I can bring it more that way. But my hair has grown, y'all. Look at it. It's growing even more. I really want my hair to grow really long. I've always had a long length of hair, but I want longer hair. So just showing you guys the growth and the texture of it and what it looks like. I don't know what you would call this. What's this texture? I don't think it's a such thing as a texture, y'all. I think people just be saying stuff. They just be coming up with stuff that we can have something to talk about. That's what I think. I'm just saying. So yeah, but all in all, y'all, it's cold outside. If you guys can see behind me, it's very cold. And I think today it's only going to get up to 33. And yeah. So yeah, like I said, I haven't been doing anything. I haven't went anywhere. I wasn't going to vlog, but I just came on just to come on and chat with you guys. But other than that, yeah. Oh, I don't know. Did you guys, I don't know, for some of y'all who not seen these are my new toothbrushes. This is what they look like. I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna throw my old toothbrush away. I think today will be the last day for my toothbrush. I'll get rid of it. So yeah. Oh, let me show you guys me and my mom's picture. Remember the picture we took at that place? Or maybe you don't remember. That is a picture that we took, y'all, at that place. That's me and Mom. And then the other one is just me by myself. And yeah, they came out really nice. Actually, they were, the pictures were actually free. They were actually free for us to take. This lady at the table, she kept saying, are you gonna go take your picture? Are you gonna get your picture? And I was like, I don't really need a picture. I gotta be careful, y'all, with this stuff. I don't want this stuff to get on my chair or anything. But yeah, guys, I'll try to film some more today. It's just nothing. It's really nothing to do. I'm not going to any stores really, so I just wanted to come on here and say hello to you guys. And thank you all so much, Doris McNeely, my strong gift from God, Gugu Woods, Gertrude. I'm just thinking of people who always respond. Daphne McMurray, Naturally Gifted. I'm just thinking of people who always see in the comments, because I always ask you guys to leave me comments and stuff and share my channel and thumbs up the video and stuff like that. It really helps my channel to grow and to get out more. So I really appreciate you guys if you'll take out some of your time out of your day when you're watching my videos and share them for me so the channel can grow. Yeah, I've been doing YouTube since 2017. I think 2017. And y'all go back and watch some of my old videos. I used to get like 25,000 subscribers, 58,000 subscribers. I don't know what happened, but I know a lot of people love DIYs, thrifting. I don't really like thrift a whole lot, y'all. My home is really like where I want it right now. So I don't know. I'm trying to think of some things that I could. And that's another thing. I don't want to just be making content and then I'll be throwing stuff away. I could give it away. Maybe I'll do some canvases one day if I come across some canvases from the thrift store, and then I can do the canvases and then I can show y'all, and I'll probably just give them away, sell them or whatever. So yeah, I did make a sale yesterday, which was Saturday. A gentleman wanted to buy my old plant stand. I'll show you guys where it was at. He wanted to buy my old plant stand that was in the kitchen. So the old plant stand was actually right here underneath this canvas. And I was thinking about moving this canvas. I know Naturally Gifted, she's actually, y'all, my friend. She lives here in my town. So when I say Naturally Gifted, that's who I'm talking about. But I'm actually thinking about putting this over. Let me show y'all real quick. I'm actually thinking about putting it over here on this wall. So, because you guys know I had made them to match, but put it right here. I don't know. I just kind of want to. I'm just thinking about it. And then put something else that's smaller right here. Because the only thing I wanted to do here, I'm actually covering it up. I'm actually covering up a jack, a phone jack. So that's what that is. And then I want something to go there. But honey, this is the plant. This is the plant pot, y'all. This is the plant that was actually in that pot. But yeah, guys, I'm not doing much. Like I said, I'm waiting for this conditioner to work itself out, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm probably gonna twist my hair up, and I'll come back and talk to you guys in a minute, okay? All right, y'all. All right, guys, so I'm done. I moisturized my hair really good. I rinsed that stuff out, and I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair up. I got a little part right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start making me a couple of twists. Oh, my scalp looks really clean. But I don't know that last part of the video. I'm so sorry. I meant, what I was saying was not 25,000 subscribers. I wish. I was saying, like, I used to get so many views on my videos. So that's what I meant. So I don't know. I had to catch myself before somebody say, Sonia, what are you talking about? But that's what I meant. But I'm in a minute, guys. Let me go ahead and twist my hair up, and I'll come back to you guys, and I'm gonna show you all what I use currently on my hair. Okay, so let me go ahead and make these twists in my hair, and I will come back and check in with you guys momentarily. Okay, all right, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is how the hair turned out with my twist and everything. So yeah, that's how that turned out. I really like it. Can y'all see it? So I just did a little side part on this side a little bit, and yeah, so that's what it looks like. And then if you're worried about the length, that is the length with it twisted right here. See there? All right, we're back, guys. I hope this light is not too bad, because first the sun wasn't coming out, now the sun is out. So I went on to make me a smoothie. This is actually my first meal of the day. Is it? Y'all, let me see. No, it's not. I bought some granola cereal from Cascadian Farms. So I had that for like lunch or whatever, breakfast if you want to call it, like brunch. I had that, and I had 2 cups of tea, water, usual water. Now I'm having my smoothie, and I think later on I might make me a salad or something. I'm just trying to, like I said, y'all, I'm on this thing where I always eat healthy, but I'm eating more and more like fruits and vegetables and more smoothies. I just think it's good for you. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys really quick of the, let me go back to this, of the products that I'm currently using on my hair today, as we speak, like today. So I'm using, y'all, I still have my Just As I Am. This is the classic coconut co-wash. It has tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, sal, pimento, and what is this? Some kind of lacteros. I don't know. But it's a cleansing cream, cold wash conditioner. So this is what I've been using on my hair. And also, y'all know I just purchased this castor oil, so I've been putting this on my hair every day since I've been buying it. And I put a lot on today since, you know, today was wash day. And then the last thing is, y'all, I swear by this Coco Vita. This is good, y'all. This is so good. Use this on your, I use this everywhere, my hair, my face, my body, everything. I even take it and put it on my fingernails and, you know, do that and stuff like that. This is some good stuff. So these are the products that I currently use on my hair. But I might go out later, I'm not sure. But in the meantime, I think I'm gonna tie my hair up with this silk scarf, just in case if I do step out, I don't wanna get sick. They say that's a myth, but I don't know. My mom said you should never go out with your hair wet. So is that true or not? Y'all leave me a comment below and let me know. Have y'all heard that? I just think it makes sense because if it, I told y'all today it's only like 30 degrees. So that means it's gonna be super cold. I mean, that it is super cold. And I know for a fact it's very, very windy. So I know for a fact it's windy. So I'm not taking no chances, but I just wanna tie my hair up right now and get it over with. You know, I like a silk scarf too. It's good for your hair. I don't know if you guys know that. You probably already know that. If you're gonna tie your hair, forget the silk bonnets. And I mean, not that you can wear a silk bonnet as long as it's silk, but don't get those bonnets that they have at the store that's like polyester. Those are not gonna do anything for you. But this is her, y'all, right now. She's gonna just tie it up. I'll probably leave a couple of these out a little bit, but as long as my scalp, you know, is covered up and everything. So yeah, guys, I will see you all in another video really, really soon. Thumbs up the video if you like it. If you don't like it, still thumbs up the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I don't know if y'all can see outside, but it's very windy. See, it's not windy right now, but it is very windy. But guys, I will catch you all in another video really, really soon. Always remember to do what? Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place, y'all. Bye, y'all. Bye.